Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Edward Jones Client Access, fast access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Edward Jones Client Access and press enter. Look for the official Edward Jones login page in the search results. Click on the link to access the site. Once on the home page, locate the Client Access button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the Client Access button to be directed to the login page. You will now see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Move to the password field and input your password. Before proceeding, double-check that both your username and password are entered correctly. Once confirmed, click the Login button. You may be prompted with a security verification step. Follow the instructions for any additional verification if necessary. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your client dashboard. From here, you can manage your accounts and access various resources. If you encounter any issues, use the Forgot Password link for assistance. You can also contact customer support for further help if needed. That's it. You are now logged into Edward Jones Client Access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.